on an aggravated battery.
Watching, this is George at Wicked Warnings here with the twins. These are for a college campus downtown Chicago, both with a white and green package, both super killer. One Toyota Sienna Minivan, one brand new Ford Taurus, both with green and white. You can see the Taurus got a little bit in the back there, in the back window. Here we go out back. We got full light bars going. Both of these cars are amazing in person. I can't wait to get some action shots. Stay tuned for a little bit more video of both of these builds. More in-depth video for each build is available. Thanks again for watching, George. This is Wicked Warnings. If you need green, get with us, because we got boatloads of it.